Welcome to MCR Medical's comprehensive guide to the different PRESTAN mannequin head options. Let's get started. We carry 3 types of heads that are compatible with the PRESTAN Professional adult male and adult female mannequins. In the center is the standard head, while as to the right is the jaw thrust head and to the left is the Pro Plus head. Let's go over how the standard head works, and then we will highlight the differences between the standard head and the other two. The standard mannequin head is what comes on the PRESTAN Professional mannequin and the Series 2000 mannequin. They feature a movable head, requiring head tilt or chin lifting techniques to be used when administering breaths. The heads have pinchable noses and small ear hooks that secure the lung bags and face shields to the mannequins. The jaw thrust head is similar to the original, but with the added ability to practice the jaw thrust maneuver. The jaw thrust maneuver is a method of opening the airway of a patient who has suspected spinal trauma or airway obstruction. This method minimizes movement in the neck and is a safer way of opening up the airway. If not practicing the jaw thrust maneuver, the jaw thrust head can still be used in the same way as a standard mannequin head and uses standard lung bags. The Pro Plus head was designed to have easily installed lung bags and features a nasal passageway for compatibility with NPA devices. These heads come apart using the blue buttons on the side of the head, and it features a pinchable nose similar to the other 2 heads. The lung bag can be installed quickly by pressing the lung bag in place and then clicking the 2 halves of the head back together. When installing the lung bag, you will need to make sure the lung bag is flat in the neck of the mannequin, otherwise air may get stuck when administering breaths. The head can then be placed back in the mannequin for use. The Pro Plus head is very different from the other 2 heads we carry, so let's go over some of the parts. Here you can see a close-up of the lung bag connection inside the head. When placing the 2 halves of the head back together, make sure the lung bag is flat and straight at the neck to ensure proper function. To clean the mouth and nasal airway, you will need to take apart the front half of the head. The silicone skin can be separated from the plastic structure of the head, as seen here. The white plastic mouth and nasal passage can then be separated from the skin of the mannequin and cleaned. Make sure to clean the silicone skin around the mouth and nose as well. After the face is clean and dry, the plastic mouth and nasal passage will need reinserted. The plastic tab that keeps the structural integrity of the nose fits into a slot and will help you properly line up this piece when putting it back in the facial skin. The facial frame can then be placed back in the skin, and you can clasp the 2 sides of the head back together. That concludes the end of this video, and if you have any questions about our products, we can be contacted at sales@mcrmedical.com, or you can give us a call at 614-782-2100. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.